He likes roller coaster.
Okay, so this might be the craziest thing I've ever said, but we're on Falcons Flight for the first time. It's the world's tallest, longest, and fastest roller coaster all rolled into one. This is literally insane. So we're about to hit the first launch. There are 3 launches on this thing, 3, and 2 of them are uphill, one of them is downhill. So here, the spiel's going. We're about to launch in any second now. Oh my God. Whoa! Okay. All right. Launch number 1. What is this, like 200 feet, the first hill?
Out of hyper.
All right, so this is 200 feet and we still have 400 more feet to go. Oh my God. Whoa! Oh my God. There is airtime for those wondering. Oh my God. Here we go. Oh my God, I'm just looking up at it. This is insane. Holy crap.
Launch number
Okay,
2.
launch number 2. We're going up the 600-foot tall course. Oh my God. What? Oh my God. What is that? Not real. Oh my God. Oh my God.
It's so quiet.
I'm feeling my ears
Oh my
pop.
God.
Oh my God. This is crazy. Still got some speed too. Oh my God. This is it.
Oh.
This is it. Oh. Holy crap. It's so quiet. I feel my ears popping. Oh my God. Whoa! Yeah! Oh my God! We're 550 feet in the air! Oh my God! Oh! I'm speechless right now. I don't even know what to say. That was Falcons Flight, front row, my reaction, and Dan's reaction. Look at, yeah, Falcons Flight.
I need a Zin.
He likes roller coaster.